The price is different here. I need a new jacket for winter.
What kind of jacket do you want?
Something warm, but not too heavy.
What color do you like?
Black or dark blue.
What's your budget?
Maybe $50.
That's a good price for a jacket.
I saw one online for $40.
Really? Where?
On a shopping website. It looks nice.
Let's check the store here too.
Good idea. I want to see it in person.
This store has many jackets.
Look at this black one.
How much is it?
$65.
That's more than your budget.
Yeah, it's too expensive.
What about this blue one?
Let me check the price. It's $55.
Closer to your budget.
Still a little high.
Is there a discount today?
Let me ask the worker. Excuse me, is this jacket on sale?
The worker said no, not today.
Okay, thanks anyway.
Let's look at other jackets.
This gray one looks warm.
How much is it?
$45.
That's within your budget.
But I don't really like gray.
Color matters to you.
Yes, I want black or blue.
Let's check the sizes too.
What size do you wear?
I wear medium. What about you?
I wear large.
This blue one comes in large.
Let me try it on.
How does it fit?
It's a little tight.
Maybe try extra large.
Do you have extra large?
The worker said yes.
Great. Let me try that size.
Does it fit better now?
Yes, much better.
Do you like the color?
Yes, the blue looks nice.
What about the price?
Still $55.
That's $10 more than your budget.
I know. Let me think.
You could check the online price again.
Good idea. Let me look. The online price is $40.
That's $15 cheaper.
But I need to wait for shipping.
How long does shipping take?
About 5 days.
That's not too long.
But I need a jacket soon.
How soon?
This weekend, it's getting cold.
Then maybe buy here today.
But it's more expensive here.
Is there another store nearby?
There's 1-2 blocks away.
Let's check their price too.
Good idea. Let's go.
This store has the same jacket.
How much is it here?
$48.
That's better than the first store.
Still more than online.
Yes, but I get it today.
That's true. No waiting.
I think I'll buy it here.
Do they have your size?
Let me check. Yes, they have extra large.
What color do they have?
Black and blue both available.
Which one do you choose?
I'll choose the blue one.
Good choice. It looks nice on you.
Thank you. Let me pay now.
Do they accept cards?
Let me ask. Yes, they accept cards.
That's convenient.
I don't carry much cash anyway.
Same here.
Okay, I'm paying now.
Did you get a receipt?
Yes, here it is.
Keep it in case you need to return it.
Good point. I'll keep it safe.
Are you happy with your choice?
Yes, very happy.
The price was fair in the end.
Yes, $48 is okay.
And you got it today.
That's the best part.
No waiting for shipping.
Exactly. I need it this weekend.
Where are you going this weekend?
I'm visiting my family.
It will be cold there?
Yes, very cold in winter.
Good thing you have a warm jacket now.
Yes, perfect timing.
Do you need anything else?
Maybe gloves too.
Let's check this store for gloves.
Do they sell gloves here?
Let me ask the worker. Yes, they have gloves over there.
Let's go look. These gloves look warm.
How How much are they?
$12.
That's cheap.
Yes, and they have my size.
Do you like the color?
Black gloves match my jacket.
Perfect match.
I'll buy these too.
Good idea to buy together.
Yes, saves another trip.
Let's pay for everything now.
Total is $60.
That's still under your original plan.
Wait, my budget was $50 for the jacket alone.
But you saved money on the jacket.
True, I saved $7 there.
So gloves fit into that extra money.
That makes sense now.
Smart shopping today.
Thanks for coming with me.
No problem. It was fun.
I like comparing prices together.
Me too. It helps save money.
Next time we should check more stores.
Yes, more options mean better prices.
Agreed. Let's do that.
Ready to go home now?
Yes, I'm ready.
Let's go.